such a feeling's coming over me. There is wonder in most everything I see. Not a cloud in the sky, got the sun in my eyes, and I won't be surprised if it's a dream. Everything I want the world to be is now coming true, especially for me. And the reason is clear, it's because you are here. You're the nearest thing to heaven that I've seen. I'm on the top of the world, looking down on creation, and the only explanation I can find is the love that I've found ever since you've been around. Your love's put me at the top of the world. Something in the wind has learned my name, and it's telling me that things are not the same. In the leaves on the trees and the touch of the breeze, there's a pleasing sense of happiness for me. There is only one wish on my mind. When this day is through, I hope that I will find that tomorrow will be just the same for you and me. All I need will be mine if you are here. I'm on the top of the world, looking down on creation, and the only explanation I can find is the love that I've found ever since you've been around. Your love's put me at the top of the world.
I want a little something more. Don't want the middle or the one before. I don't desire a complicated past. I want love that will last. Say that you love me, say I'm the one. Don't kiss and hug me and then try to run. I don't do drama, my tears don't fall fast. I want a love that will last.
Don't take your love away from me. Don't you leave my heart in misery. If you go, then I'll be blue, 'cause breaking up is hard to do.
Remember when you held me tight and you kissed me and it felt so right.
Think of all we've been through.
Breaking up is hard to do.
They say that breaking up is hard to do.
Now I know that it's true.
Don't say that this is the end. Instead of breaking up, I wish that we were making up again.
We were making up again.
I beg of you.
I beg of you.
Why do birds suddenly appear every time you are near? just like me, they long to be close to you. Why do stars fall down from the sky every time you walk by? Just like me, they long to be close to you. On the day that you were born, the angels got together and decided to create a dream come true. So they sprinkled moon dust in your hair and golden starlight in your eyes of blue. That is why all the
Alam nyo, ako naman talaga ay labis na natutuwa sapagkat sa gabing ito ay nararamdaman nating lahat ang kahalagahan ng isang tunay na pamilya. Ako din ay nagpapasalamat dahil ako'y binigyan nyo ng pagkakataon na magbigay ng kahit kaunting mensahe para po sa inyong lahat. Alam ko marami sa inyo ay galing pa sa ibang bansa at sa ibang bahagi ng Pilipinas na nagbabiyahe. Alam ko na labis ang inyong pagkasabik na makapiling uli ang inyong mga kapamilya. Sa gabing ito, sana maging masaya at puno ng pagmamahalan ang inyong reunion. Sa mga kabataan naman natin dyan, kayo ang pag-asa ng ating bayan. Kaya huwag kayong mawala ng pag-asa at patuloy niyong subukan ang hirap na danasin upang maging isang matagumpay na mamamayang Pilipino. Sa mga magulang naman, patuloy niyong suportahan at gabayan ang inyong mga anak. At sa ating lahat, patuloy tayong mamumuhay na puno ng pagmamahal at panalangin sa ating puong may kapal. Congratulations to the whole family. Happy reunion. Ito po si Charo Santos. Magandang gabi.